Ford guy here. We just got the drive shaft put in the 67 today. We still gotta bolt the motor and stuff, all that, radiator in it and everything. So, but something else I picked this up. Another one, a 73 Thunderbird. The guy had it 35 years. You remember that one? My son-in-law got that one off us. The Mercury Marquis. We just picked this one up. I couldn't turn this down. It was at a good price. And this thing is really nice, just like the Mercury. It's a 73 Thunderbird. Let me show you around it. 73. It's got a rebuilt 429 in it. I mean, it's just like the Mercury. It's nice. I got lucky on both cars. Look at that headliner. The light works. I mean, in between the door jambs, look. The guy just had a 73 Thunderbird. It's got to be cleaned, obviously. This is one I'm keeping. We sold the other Mercury. We got this Mercury. And like I said, I couldn't turn this one down. It's got a 429 in it. A quick shot of it. And like I said, the Mercury, we still got the Mercury. My son-in-law drives that one around. And we just picked up this one. And the 67, we got the drive shaft in today. So the drive shaft training is all bolted down. So I'll even know that I want to do a little video. But yeah, this is a 73 Thunderbird. It's got 65,000 miles on this one. With a 429. But there's going to be a lot more videos to come. We're starting to work now. Out here it's been nasty, raining all the time. As you can see, this car's all rain spots anyways. But yeah. This is Big Ford Guy. I'll see you on my next video, which will be soon, on everything else.